In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a Gmail alias in Google Workspace. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can set up alternate email addresses like sales or support for your team without needing to create separate user accounts. First, you'll need to sign into the Google Admin Console using an administrator account. This is important because only admins have permission to manage user settings and add aliases. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the main Admin Console dashboard, which is where all your workspace settings are controlled. From here, look toward the top left of the screen for the main menu icon. This is usually shown as three horizontal lines. Click that menu icon, then move down to find Directory, and from there, click on Users. This will open a list of all the users in your Google Workspace organization. Next, find the user who needs the alias. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate them by name or primary email address. Once you've found the correct user, click directly on their name. This will open that user's account page where you can see and manage their settings. On the users page, look at the left-hand panel under the user's name. Here you'll see different sections related to their account. Find and click on Add Alternate Emails. In Google Workspace, these are often called alternate emails or email aliases, and they allow one person to receive mail sent to multiple addresses all in the same inbox. After clicking Add Alternate Emails, you'll see a field labeled Alternate Email. Click inside this field and type the prefix you want for the alias. For example, if you're creating a general address for inquiries, you might use sales or support. The part you type here will appear before the @ symbol in the email address. If your organization uses more than one domain, you'll also see a drop-down menu next to the alias field. This is where you choose which domain the alias should belong to. Click the drop-down and select the correct domain so the full address is exactly what you want, such as sales at your company's domain. Taking a moment to double-check the domain helps avoid confusion later. Once you've entered the alias prefix and confirmed the right domain, review everything to make sure there are no typos. Aliases need to be unique and correctly spelled because this is what your customers or team members will be using. When you're happy with the details, click Save. Google Workspace will apply the changes, and the new alias will now be linked to that user's account. Emails sent to this new alias will automatically appear in the user's existing Gmail inbox, just like any other message they receive. That's all there is to it. You've successfully created a Gmail alias in Google Workspace, allowing one user to manage multiple email addresses from a single account.